If you've been thinking about trying a high-protein vegan diet, look no further. We'll walk you through 24 hours of delicious and nourishing high-protein vegan meals in this video. Whether you're new to veganism or just trying to get more plant-based options into your diet, these meals are ideal for providing your body with protein and are completely free of animal products. We've got you covered with simple and satisfying recipes that will keep you feeling full and energized all day. So, let's explore the options for a full day of high-protein vegan eating. Welcome to a 24-hour journey where we explore the realm of high-protein vegan meals, designed to energize and nourish you throughout the day. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Breakfast: peanut butter banana smoothie. A tasty and refreshing protein-rich peanut butter banana smoothie is a great way to start the day. This smoothie is a delicious and highly nutritious breakfast choice that mixes the natural sweetness of ripe bananas with the creamy richness of peanut butter. You'll need one ripe banana to make this smoothie, which provides natural sugars and an extra potassium boost. 1 spoonful of peanut butter contains protein and good fats to keep you full. 1 cup of almond milk offers a low-calorie, high-vitamin E, dairy-free basis. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, a great source of extra protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. 1 scoop of vegan protein powder will guarantee that you start your day with a substantial protein boost. Toss everything into a blender, then process until smooth. The outcome is a satisfying, creamy smoothie for a speedy breakfast or refueling after a workout. Transfer it into your preferred glass and savor a morning meal that will provide your body with superior plant-based protein and sustain your energy levels until your subsequent meal. Lunch: chickpea salad. Try this colorful chickpea salad for a light and high-protein lunch. This nutrient-dense and simple recipe makes it a great addition to any high-protein vegan diet. To begin, drain and rinse 1 can of chickpeas. Chickpeas are an excellent fiber and plant-based protein source, making them a fantastic option for satisfying hunger. Next, add half a sliced cucumber and half a finely chopped red onion to the chickpeas. In addition to adding extra vitamins and minerals, these veggies give the salad a crunch and freshness. 2 tablespoons of tahini and 1 lemon juice make a tasty, straightforward salad dressing. Sesame seed paste, or tahini, offers extra protein and good fats to food and gives it a creamy texture and nutty flavor. Mix the dressing ingredients in a small bowl and pour over the chickpea mixture. Toss to ensure that the salad is equally coated with the dressing. This chickpea salad is an excellent alternative for anyone wishing to enjoy a high-protein, fulfilling, and vegan lunch due to its delightful blend of flavors and textures. Snack: almond butter, apple slices. Try these almond butter apple slices for a pleasant and healthy afternoon snack. This snack is easy to make but tastes great and has a lot of protein. To start, thinly slice 1 apple you choose so the base is crispy and moist. Next, cover the apple slices with around 2 tablespoons of almond butter. This gives your snack a creamy texture and a lot of heart-healthy lipids and protein. Add 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds to the top for a nutritional boost. Superfood hemp seeds provide extra protein, omega-3s, and a delicious crunch. The sweetness of the apple and the richness of the almond butter are wonderfully complemented by the warming spice that a sprinkle of cinnamon offers. A tiny drizzle of honey or agave syrup takes this snack to a new level, especially if you're a sugar addict. The energy-boosting and decadent snack from this mix of ingredients is the ideal treat to hold you over until your next meal. Dinner: lentil curry. Let's enjoy a homemade lentil curry for dinner, which has a deep flavor and is both satiating and healthy. The dish's star ingredient, the hearty lentils, makes this a great way to get high-quality plant-based protein. You'll start by mixing 1 cup of lentils with a can of creamy coconut milk, an onion diced for sweetness and texture, and 2 tablespoons of curry powder for that classic curry taste to make this fragrant and soothing stew. The mixture is heated to a boil before the heat is heated to a simmer. Once the lentils have absorbed the lovely spices and softened after 20 to 25 minutes, you'll season the curry with salt and pepper to suit your taste preferences. This lentil curry isn't just about the high protein content. It's a fusion of flavors and textures that bring warmth and satisfaction to any dinner table. Whether you serve this fragrant curry over a bed of fluffy rice or warm naan bread, it's guaranteed to please your taste buds and nutritional needs. The creamy coconut milk not only adds depth to the dish, but also ensures that every spoonful is luxuriously smooth, creating a perfect balance with the earthiness of the lentils and the bold spices of the curry powder. It's a dinner option that proves high-protein vegan meals can be both indulgent and healthful, making it an ideal way to wind down the day with a meal that's comforting, delicious, and aligned with your dietary goals. Dessert, chocolate chia pudding. End your day on a sweet note with our decadent chocolate chia pudding. This nutritious dessert satisfies your taste buds and aligns perfectly with your high-protein vegan dietary goals. Begin by whisking together 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of almond milk in a bowl. The chia seeds are a powerhouse of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, making them an excellent addition to your vegan diet. Next, incorporate 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder for that rich, chocolatey flavor that transforms this dish into a truly indulgent dessert. Sweeten the mix with 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, providing a natural and refined sugar-free alternative to traditional sweeteners. Add 1-2 teaspoons of vanilla extract to round out the flavors with its warm, aromatic essence. Once all the ingredients are thoroughly mixed, cover the bowl and let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. For optimal results, leave it overnight. This resting period allows the chia seeds to absorb the liquid, thickening the mixture into a pudding-like consistency. Before serving, stir the pudding to ensure the texture is smooth and evenly distributed. This chocolate chia pudding is not just a dessert. It's a testament to the versatility and delicious possibilities of high-protein vegan meals. Its creamy texture and rich flavor make it a luxurious treat that perfectly encapsulates the essence of indulging healthily. So dive into this chocolatey delight and enjoy the perfect conclusion to your day of high-protein, plant-based eating. Total protein for the day. We've prepared each meal and snack for our high-protein vegan eating day to ensure you're satiating your appetite and getting the necessary nutrients. You started the day with a peanut butter banana smoothie, equivalent to 20-25 grams of protein. Next was lunch, where the chickpea salad contributed 20 more grams of protein. Almond butter apple slices, our midday snack, increased your daily consumption by 7 grams. Lastly, another 18 grams of protein came from the lentil curry meal. With this, we get an astounding 65-70 grams of protein daily. Remember that these are only estimates that may change based on the brands and kinds of ingredients you choose. Modifying portions based on individual dietary requirements and tastes is usually advised to ensure you get the proper amount of protein and nutrients from your meals. Conclusion: switching to a high-protein vegan diet doesn't have to mean sacrificing flavor or diversity. Today, we looked at a day full of wholesome, high-protein vegan meals, demonstrating a plant-based diet's health benefits and satisfaction. We've shown that high-protein vegan meals can satisfy each appetite while adequately fueling your body, from the refreshing peanut butter banana smoothie in the morning to the cozy lentil curry in the evening, not to mention the decadent chocolate chia pudding. Recall that variety is the key to a good vegan diet. Including various plant-based proteins guarantees your body gets the essential amino acids required. We hope this 24-hour meal guide inspires you to try new recipes and discover the joy of high-protein vegan eating. Whether you're a lifetime vegan or just starting to explore plant-based options, these meals are a great way to enjoy delicious food that benefits your health and the planet. Thank you for joining us on this plant-based adventure. Here's to many more satisfying and nourishing high-protein vegan meals. Please like and subscribe if you want to incorporate more vegan, plant-based meals into your diet. Would you like us to cover any topic for you? Please write it down in the comment section. Until next time, always let vegan treats be your sweet escape.